welcome back to Lincoln Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you if you have a Lincoln MKX and one of your power windows doesn't work, let's say front left or rear left, front right or rear right guys. We'll explain guys how to remove and replace the window motor. Now we'll demonstrate on the front left side, but practically the procedure is the same for the rear sides as well. Not very different at all guys. You have to remove the door panel. The procedure for removing front and rear door panel is about the same. So stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. Thank you for watching and let's start on it now. So first we need to remove a few covers here. Okay, like that. Now we need to get a Torx 20 star looking bit guys. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos guys, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please do check them out. Perfect, one screw is out. Now what we have, okay, we have one more right here. Okay, this one, ours is a little bit messed up. It's spinning a little bit. Okay, we have one more towards the bottom. That's a Phillips screwdriver. We have one more right there. And one more towards the bottom side. Two more on the bottom guys. So make sure you stand till the end to see where all of them are. Now the ones underneath, okay, you can see where they are. Perfect. Now guys, we have one hidden one that's under that cap for the door handle right here, and this one is with 732's socket, and we'll go ahead and remove that one as well. Okay, you gotta make sure you pull it out, otherwise the panel may not come out. Perfect, like that. Have to make sure that the mirror is not holding here. Nope, everything is good on this side. Now we'll get a plastic panel removal too guys, okay, like this one here, and we'll start prying all the clips open. If the panel hasn't been removed, it will come out a little bit harder, and then you need to pull up. Okay, once all the clips come out, you need to pull up. But there is a clip right here guys. Okay, there is a clip right there holding. And we need to disconnect now, okay, the wires. How you do that? Okay, right here on this one there is one thing that you press down and pull it out. Okay, I'm talking about this notch right here. One more on this side here. And we have guys, okay, this is the speaker wire, the tweeter wire that comes to right there. Now we have the wires for the window switch. Okay, and this one you press down here, you pull it out. This one as well, and this is for the mirror switch, I think, the connector. Okay, and the door panel come out of the way like that. Let us show you where all the clips are now. On the back side, some may be broken guys, so you have to be careful, okay, how you install them later, because okay, you can see we have a clip here, we have a clip over there, then we have on top, okay, right here we have a clip, and here we have one guide, I think, that it goes in, that holds it in place. And pretty much guys, okay, this should be all the clips that we have here for the door panel. So once we remove the door panel guys, we can get to the window motor. Okay, right here, this is your window motor. And how you guys, okay, remove that thing now? You need to disconnect the wire by pushing in the middle there and pulling it out. Okay, this thing will be extremely tight guys. Okay, perfect. Now we have 3 screws that we need to remove, 1, 2, 3, with a Torx 25 star looking bit like this one here. We'll go ahead, remove it now. Okay, and we just have one more after that. Sometimes those motors do go bad, guys. Careful your window not to drop down once you remove the window motor. That could happen, so you might want to tape it or somebody hold it while you replace it with a new one. Now we'll go ahead, grab it, okay, and pull it out. This is, guys, the window motor out of the car. The rear side practically is the same as the front one, not very different at all. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.